Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy Tony Smack. Yeah, pretty much I came on today. We all know sad day in hip hop. Dog passed away. You feel me? So, on behalf of the No Distraction Squad, me and my brothers want to say rest in peace to my boy DMX. Shit sucks, bro. It's crazy, man. I ain't gonna hold you. X first two joints. This dog hell is hot. Flesh in my flesh, blood in my blood. His albums, man, them shits, they just like gave me energy. You heard, like his everything, the voice, the way he put his bars together. You heard, that shit. I mean, the album's racing. Feel me? Taught me how to maneuver through them Brooklyn blocks. You feel me? Move a certain way. You heard. So man, it's like she's crazy, man. Crazy, man. My boy X is gone. But like I said, on behalf of No Distraction fam, rest in peace to my boy DMX. We love you, kid. Hip hop legend. I don't want to hear no argument about if he a legend or not, because he's definitely a legend. Y'all can suck my dick. It's a fact. No distraction. I'm off this.